So guys, in this episode or in this video, I am going to show you how to make this simple guessing game in Python within 11 lines of code. But being simple doesn't mean being useless and boring. So, as usual, let's start. First, the most important part of a guessing game is the secret number or the secret letter, word, object, any value, the secret value that you have to find out by guessing. Okay, the next most important thing is guess count. Many guessing games might not have a guess limit, but they do surely have a guess count. In how many turns have you guessed the right number? Okay? And then comes the guess limit. This isn't an absolute, must. It's just not complimentary, but it is used in 99.99% guessing games to spice things up. A person can obviously guess a number between 1 to 10 within 10 guesses, obviously. Right? Now, with these 3 ingredients, we have to spice it up and make a short, simple, and meaningful game. Okay? So first, what is the secret number? The secret number is the answer that people are looking for. Guess count is another very important thing. Guess count is the number of turns that you have taken, or to put it simply, number of turns required to guess the right answer. Okay, you get it? Sorry. Okay, the number of turns required to guess the right answer. Now, the next thing, guess limit. Guess limit is usually used to spice things up, that simply makes the game hard. Okay? It makes the game hard because no one wants to play a very easy game and let their opponent win, right? Now is the real part. While guess count is less than guess limit, when the guess count is less than the guess limit, that means when there are 3 chances but you have finished 2 turns, that means you still have 1 chance. You have used 2 chances and have failed, but you still have 1 chance. But because the computer doesn't understand our traditional games, it thinks that you have put the answer, whether right or wrong, 2 times, but have not hit the limit of 3. Now, you can put limit 5, 10, 50, 100,000, infinity. No one would put infinity, because if that was the case, then you wouldn't even put the guess limit, right? But guess count is something you put, right? So when the guess count is less than the guess limit, that means this is the condition, okay? But for this, you need to look at my former video on while loops if you do not know what while loops are, okay? Go to my channel and there will be a video. Click on that and watch it, and then come here so that you get the complete understanding of what I am making. And now because this keeps falling. And now because this while has been satisfied, because you have not answered even once right now, right? But it might not be the case for the entire game, right? So when you have not guessed more times than the guess limit, there will be an input, and it would tell you to guess the number, okay? But per turn, your guess count would be increased by 1, okay? Your guesses are counted. Like the first time you can't answer, you go back, guess again. But that doesn't mean you're guessing from 0. That means you have used 1 turn, and now this is guess 2. Okay, guess 2. Then, if the guess is the secret number, that means in our case, the secret number is 9. So, if the guess is the secret number, okay, then you win. Simply, you win. To put it simply, you win if you guess the right answer. But you need to put break here, because this is a while loop, and even if you guess the correct number the first time, if you do not put the break, then it would tell you to guess again and again, okay? So this break is very important, and without it, I don't think that the else would work either. And if you can't guess the right answer in 3 turns, then it will be given, sorry, you failed. You don't want to be rude to your customers, they are literally your customers, they play your game. So you don't want to be rude to the game players. And now, let's run it. So go to run guessing game 1. Or you can simply just do this, because I have already developed a new game after this. That's why it would come instead of the guessing game at first. You see, car game engine simulation. Okay, so guess. I will give a wrong guess. Sorry, 12. Guess again. 11. So I put 12. I meant to give 11. No, it's 11. Sorry, you failed. What? I'm not a failure. Stop the game. Clean it all. Stop it. Clean it. Now, start the game again. I'm going to do it this time. 3. What? 3 isn't? Sorry, I couldn't put 3. Now, 9. Yeah, I won. But again, if I put in the first guess, and it's the right answer, the while loop is broken and you win, okay? Simple and meaningful. So this is it, guys. If you want to learn something new, tell me down in the comments below. If you don't know what while loops are, then don't make this game at first. Go to my channel, watch how to form while loops in Python. It's a short video, about 10 minutes. Then come to this video and make this wonderful game during quarantine. You can enjoy yourselves, right? Now, I'm going to car game simulation.py. If you want, I can share it too. Just write it down in the comments below, and I guarantee you, this game is not dumb as the guessing game, okay? So bye for now. Hope that you keep watching the videos and like, share, comment, turn on the notification bell and smash the subscribe button, okay?